Alright guys, day 4 of the vlog. Going to go eat breakfast. We just pulled into Skagway. So go eat breakfast, get off the boat, go pick up the Jeep, then do our Jeep tour of Skagway and then into Canada. Alright, we'll see you off the boat. Alright guys, so we're off the boat, headed to pick up the Jeep. Once we get there, we're going to head out of Skagway up to the Yukon. So basically, highway that goes from Skagway, it's pretty much the only highway that goes from Skagway to Carcross Desert and Emerald Lake, and then we're going to do a loop around there and see what all we can find and then come back. So total trip about 4 hours. So hope you guys enjoy this. Alright, so we're here starting our first tour right here. So what I did in Skagway was I went through DIY Jeeps, Alaskan Jeeps, and rented one of those. Now the bad part about it is it's almost $300 to rent it, but it's a self-guided tour. So what they give you is they give you a book with a CD, and then it has all the mile markers. So all the mile markers consist of where they at. They're on the road. They're on the road, you know, just like any U.S. state mile markers, like 5.0, you know, 5.5, and it has it all listed in this book here, and then a CD that explains everything on the way through. And it tells you, you can go off of pull-offs and take a look at lakes and everything. Oh, look, here's one of those mile markers right there. See that mile marker there? So, I mean, like I said, it's just like the ones that are in the States, and it's actually really awesome because it's your pace tour. It's not like, hey, get on this bus and go with everybody else. It's your pace. So I think I really enjoy it, and I'll let you guys know once I finish this tour here. But here's one of the first pullouts, and I'll show you guys around. And I'll give you guys a tour of the Jeep. Here it is. It's a 4-seater. It's a Jeep Wrangler. Was it Unlimited, I believe? Yeah, Sport. The Wrangler Sport Unlimited. 4-door. Plenty of room. Plenty of power. And I'm wanting to say that, yeah, it had 5,000 miles on it. It's pretty much brand new. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. So, I mean, for $300, almost $300, it's not bad for a self-guided tour. I mean, you pay that much for the train or whatever it is. So, we're enjoying it so far. All right, so I showed you around the outside of the Jeep. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside of the Jeep. So basic, I mean, just basic, cloth seats. The interior, it's got the roll cage. It's got the roof panels that come off. So you can take off one, you can take off two, you can take off both, and then also in the back as well. So it's kind of roomy, I'm 6'1", and I feel comfortable driving this as well. The only bad thing about the Jeep was that it had a cracked window, but I'm okay with that because if something happens and it cracked, then they're not going to charge me. They already told me that, so I just went ahead and took this one. with the crack in it, and I'm okay with driving with the crack. But like I said, guys, just quick, standard automatic transmission. Has a CB radio in it in case you want to call back. I don't know why people would use that, unless you have like two people, two families that go together, because there's no service out here whatsoever. No cell phone service out here. So, all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the DIY pretty much overview or review. But for the DIY Jeeps in Alaska, huge thumbs up. I really enjoy it, and the self-guided tours and at your own pace is awesome. Okay, so I want to give you guys a little preview of what it's like when you're going through the tour with the CD going.
CarMax passed on the offer. Continued on their way, the threesome journeyed just a couple of valleys over and were alongside Rabbit Creek when they decided to stop and eat.
So it's a desert in the middle of Canada called Carcross Desert. Literally small. You blink, you miss it on the road. So we're at Emerald Lake, just north of Carcross Desert. That's pretty cool. I mean, they say that color water is different because different minerals that are in the soil within the water. So pretty neat, though, right? Extremely clear, though. Extremely clear water. All right. So we're here. One of our last stops. Say one of our last stops. We'll probably stop at one more place. But stopped at Robinson Roadhouse. It's just north of Emerald Lake. Apparently it was a old mining town that once the mines drew up, that they abandoned it and just left the buildings over here as well. So it's really windy out here, so pardon the noise. So, but here it is. Walk over here and show you guys around a little bit. amazing how these were built back in the early 1900s and then just remained over time. So, just I think it's awesome. And we're back in Alaska. Alright guys, so here's Reed Waterfalls, or Reed Falls. It's in Skagway, right beyond the Gold Rush Cemetery. Highly recommend it. So, coming off the trail, you get to choose cemetery or streetcar. We already came out of cemetery, we're gonna go down streetcar. All right.
Johnny, it's showtime, and moi moi!
Moi moi! Hey guys, just downloading this card and realized that I didn't close out the vlog from last night. Went out, had a few adult beverages, and just completely forgot about it. So, starting the new vlog now, ending it here. So, hope you guys have a good one.